Once upon a time, in the ancient land of Bharatvarsh, lived sage Durvasa, known for his volatile temper and unwavering devotion to Lord Shiva. One day, as Durvasa wandered through a lush forest, he grew weary and thirsty. Spotting a small ashram nearby, he decided to seek hospitality. The ashram belonged to King Ambarisha, a devout follower of Lord Vishnu. The king was observing Ekadashi, a sacred fast, and was in the middle of a ritual when Durvasa arrived. Honoring the sage, King Ambarisha offered him a seat and requested him to accept his hospitality. However, Durvasa decided to take a bath in the nearby river before partaking in the meal. Time passed, and the auspicious moment for breaking the fast approached. To honor the ritual's sanctity, the king sipped a little water, which symbolically ended his fast. At that very moment, sage Durvasa returned. Sensing the king had broken the fast without him, Durvasa's anger erupted like a volcano. In a fit of rage, he cursed King Ambarisha, saying that he would suffer a dire fate for his perceived disrespect. The king, however, remained calm and continued his prayers to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu, touched by his devotee's unwavering faith, sent his Sudarshana Chakra to protect Ambarisha. The chakra chased Durvasa across the three worlds, giving him no respite. Terrified, Durvasa sought refuge. Durvasa sought refuge with various gods, but none could help. Finally, he approached Lord Vishnu himself, who advised him to seek forgiveness from King Ambarisha. Humbled, sage Durvasa returned and begged the king for mercy. Ambarisha, embodying true devotion and forgiveness, absolved the sage. The Sudarshana Chakra returned to Vishnu and peace was restored. This tale reminds us of the power of forgiveness and the importance of humility, even in the face of great anger.